What up? It's your boy B-Dub, and I'm back up in this joint with another one, man. Check me out. Alright, let y'all know what's going on with my leg right now. So I'm back, man. I'm gonna be making regular weekly videos again, man. I'm no longer using crutches. I'm on and off with the brace. I rarely use the brace though. I'm in physical therapy. I can move around. Still kind of weak. I'm still like scared, you know what I mean, to like really walk on it. They keep telling me to stop like favoring it and bend my leg when I walk, and I don't know, it's still stiff. It hurts, but not really that bad for me to be doing what I'm doing. It's just in my mind. So that's what's up with that. And yeah, man, so peep this out. I'm still yet to clean this room. So I'm up moving around now. It was just hurting too bad, you know what I mean, to do it before, but I'm up and around moving. So check it out. I ran my system with this. It's called Enzyme Complete. It's for like cleaning everything, bro. So let me see if I can turn this around for y'all so y'all can see that shit, man. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? It's for cleaning all this. I don't know if it's focusing or not yet, but anyways. Hydroponic systems, trays, you know what I'm saying? Drip systems, fabrics, cloth, glass, pots, you know what I'm saying? Everything, your hand tools, your reservoirs, your watering tools, your ventilation systems. This is for cleaning everything. So what I did was I put it in a system and let it run through everything. See how black everything is? It came out of the pipes. I should have changed the pipes for how long. I've just been letting everything sit. As you can see, everything is still dirty as fuck in here, but I'm about to get it now. I'm up moving around, so it's on. It's on. So this was the enzymes look like. Well, it suds up. It's sudding up because I got an air shit in there, air stone in there. But yeah, man, as you can see, all the black stuff came out. The water from the chiller, when I turned this back on, it was so black, it stunk up the whole house, man. It smelled like straight up bodies in this junk. But yeah. This is what's going on in here. So, yeah, and I cleaned out the whole system, but everything smells good now. There's no stinky, nothing, no moldy, nothing in here right now. So everything's cool, man. So, I'd like to thank all y'all for being patient with me, man, while I heal up, man. Sticking around with your boy. I even got more subscribers since I've not been making videos. And happy 420. I'm supposed to be rolling up something right now for y'all to smoke with y'all, but hey, man, it is what it is. I had to drop off some seeds in the mail for some peoples, man. Appreciate everybody going to bdubgrows.com. Yeah, man, that's an Amazon affiliate store, so hit the view on Amazon button, man. Not to buy now because I don't have those here. You know what I'm saying? You made me have to do too much work, and I have to buy and just gift it to you or send it to you. But anyways, I could do that too still though, man, but hey. But yeah, man, another thing, man, I'm not finna be growing out these funky charms and nothing like that right now because these are regular seeds. So what I went on ahead and did was ordered some feminized seeds. They got here yesterday. I ordered some strawberry cough. So I'm gonna open this up right quick, see what it looks like, see what they sent me. Oh shit, I done tore the whole package open. But anyways, right here, strawberry cough. They ain't really sent it in a packet. They just wrapped it in my invoice, and I just ripped the invoice. But anyways, yeah, man, a few little seeds in here. They don't look like the most mature seeds, but we gonna try it out, man. It's like 10 seeds in here. So we gonna bust them out next video. Be seed sprouting and me getting this shit set back up, man. Shout out to everybody, man. Like I said, that's been messing with your bar B-Dub. And don't forget, hit the link in the description below. Get you a Viparspectra light. Get you one of the Pro Series brand. This is the P4000. They got other lights in their Pro Series. So, man, I highly recommend this light, bro. I promise you, man. Hit the link in the description below. Get you a discount, man. Why pay more if you don't have to, bro? But, yeah, that's what's going on. Appreciate y'all again, man. Talking with your boy B-Dub. So what I gotta do now, man, is I'm gonna put more water in the reservoir, fill that up, and flush that. You know what I'm saying? I got that other pump over here in that little bucket over there. to pump all that out into the toilet, into the bathroom, you know, and that way I got a shop vac. That way I ain't gotta carry this thing upstairs and out back no more to clean it out. I can do it in here, pump everything out, get the residuals out with the shop vac, and that includes these too. Because as you can see, it's not draining completely out. I mean, I can elevate them a little bit more to make them all really drain back, but you know what it is, man. It is what it is. So this was going down, man. So that's what's next. That's what's next. The cleanup. The cleanup. So again, happy 420, man. Peace. Your boy B Dub. And I'm out this bitch. Hey.